So, what would happen to the ecosystem if half of all life would suddenly disappear?
Because the bad guy on the Avengers Endgame, in the previous movie, he snaps his fingers and half of all life goes away. And in his warped sense of justice, he's trying to help the other half survive so that there's sufficient resources for them. Now, they didn't make it clear whether they killed half of all plant life as well.
Right, yeah.
Because plant life is also alive. Then is he killing half of all worms?
I was going to say, if his reasoning is that he wants to increase resources, then you wouldn't want to kill half of all plant life because that's a resource.
Right, for the animals.
For the animals.
So, but he's also killing half the animals.
But in general, what's going to happen is a whole lot of reproduction. And especially with extra space, which means less competition for resources, we might actually see a huge spike in some populations of animal species. So if you think about if you have a small population of deer or some kind of herbivore and a huge meadow full of plant food for them to graze in, they're going to get bigger and fatter. And in the ecological world, that means more fit. So we'll see a huge spike in populations, maybe even beyond what ecologists call a carrying capacity. So what often happens is we'll see a population actually spike and overshoot carrying capacity. And then we'll see another kind of mass death event, and it'll get back into equilibrium.